Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'd like you to know about our 3D printed artifact kit that we have that we send out standard now with VTube-LASER licenses. And we started doing this in 2025, I believe, maybe a little earlier, but I remember 2025. And that means that not all of you who have VTube-LASER will have received these 3D printed artifacts. So you can see here we have a red tube that's out of tolerance. It's demo tube 6. We have demo tube 6 gray tube, which is in tolerance. And we have a bracket that snaps on so that you can actually learn to measure a bracket. You can measure the plane and then the hole on that bracket. We also have flanges. We have a standard flange, and then we have the flange with different kinds of holes so that you can practice measuring, for example, a round slot or a polygonal hole. I have a couple of different polygonal holes here for you. And you can, for example, learn how to clock the hole angles. You could also build up flanges, reverse engineer these flanges into VTube-LASER and then send them out as solids to SolidWorks if you have that on your system. And we have another tube that I've added recently, just the last couple of months. I decided to create a tube that had some more advanced concepts in it. So you can see here we've got some larger flanges, we've got a round slot, we have a hole, we have a 180-degree bend. We also have this zero length straight here. You see the red stripe that I'm drawing there? Well, how do you measure a zero length straight? Well, we have this feature called slice that allows you to basically measure on the back side of that flange and create a circle. The circle becomes the straight with zero length, and it creates a vector. It works great for getting around this issue. So that's why I made that a zero length straight, because it does occur in quite a few industries. And of course, here you see the round slot, the circle, and the polygonal hole that you can measure using space objects. We also have this really nice feature called split bend. VTube is really good at measuring 180-degree bends. And I know other competing products can measure 180s. I've seen them do it, but customers constantly complain about their lack of repeatability. And I know why they don't repeat well. Split bend handles that really well. And I won't go into how it works in this video, but I'll tell you that it works great. It's rock steady, and it will find the center line of whatever you have there in that region of the 180-degree bend very accurately. In fact, you can use the split bend on bends that are even less than 180 to great advantage. And we also allow for linear dimensioning. Like if you do GD&T, we now allow for GD&T. We allow for GD&T alignments even. And then you can align, and you can measure linear dimensions like this. And so we're talking about GD&T positions and things like that. We do that very well now. And so all of this is capable, but they're all advanced, right? So you just need a tube like this in order to really practice with those advanced concepts. So how do you get this? Well, if you're a VTube-LASER customer with an active SMA and you never received this artifact kit, just send an email to support and request it. support@advancedtubular.com, because we're going to give this to you for free. It's our way of saying thanks for keeping your SMA active, and we're going to ship one to you for free. If you want multiple artifact kits from us, we'll charge you for anything beyond one, but we'll give you one for free. If your SMA is not active, then we're going to just ask you to buy it, and we'll be glad to ship it to you. Buy it, we'll charge you for the shipping, etc. So I hope this helps, and I hope that if you need these, that you can of course get in contact with us. We'll be happy to ship these out. And then if you have any questions about how to use them, you can contact Michelle Liccardi. She's our technician who trains all of our customers worldwide for VTube-LASER, and she can show you exactly how you can then learn how to use these special processes and measure these tubes with great success. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.